Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about briefly employment. Employment is a such problem, and you can also say the employment is a very largest problem in the world, and employment is a very largest priority in the world. So, friend, today I will talk about briefly how to increasing employment in the other country and different country and how to reduce this. So, friend, today I will talk about briefly how to increasing population of employment. So friend, firstly, let's talk about without taking too much time. Let's talk about firstly about the India. India is a such country. Approximately the population of the India 1.47 billion. So friend, you can imagine the population of the India, very largest circle population of the India. Approximately 16 from 70% people are facing the poverty of the unemployment because it is realities. So friend, how to how to increasing a population of poverty in the India, and what is the reason behind this. Behind this the very largest problems, first of all first of all first of all let's talk about how to increasing population of the employment and how to reduce this the increasing the problem of the employment because of jobs and because of the investment behind the country. So first of all, let's talk about the the Prime Minister of India. So as you know already, as 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 everyone know already, so the president the PM of India, PM Narendra Modi, by the way, the PM Narendra Modi take the positive direction behind the employment, so that the government can reduce population employment. So friends, this is very important point for all of you. By the way, you are imagine yourself so how to reduce this, because the approximately the many people has been faced, and the many people has been also faced these activities and this problem, because this is a very largest problem in the world. So first of all, I want to say something about of the PMs. By the way, the who person and the who person has been becoming the PM that countries, he can take the immediately decision behind this employment, and he should reduce this. So friend, this is a most important point for all of you. So friend, let's talk about the agriculture sectors. Agriculture sector is such a sectors, this sector is planning a very important role behind every future and every student futures. Agriculture sector is a very largest sector in the world. Approximately 15 from 19% people are depending on the cultivation, and say hairs during the cultivation season by season. By the way, imagine yourself, here farmers cannot produce the crops, and here farmers cannot produce the wheat and barley and maize, etc. I can't eat. I am not only can't eat, but also everyone student, everyone a citizen of the India. So you can also say the farmer is a very important for all of you, and first of all, the government should take the positive direction behind the peasant, so that the government can reduce the poverty from the India, because this is most important for all of you. The farmer is most important for everyone. By the way, imagine yourself, the farmer cannot produce the food on his field, and the farmers don't go the field every day, and don't do hard work in his field behind the producing wheat and barley and crops. So you can't eat. I am not only can't eat, but also every citizen of the India. By the way, the peasant, the farmer of the India, if take the decision immediately, so definitely one day the starvation coming in the India. So we all should we all should respect the peasant. And this is I am feeling the proudly because my father is a farmer and my father's doing the agriculture season by season on hill fields. And this is friends is I will a words introduce about the environments behind outside and my fields, and different types crops are growing on his field at this time. At this time, approximately at this time, the wheat are harvesting. It is reality. It is correct. So friends, let's go the main point is how to reduce employments. So first of all, I want to say something about the PM of the Indias, and the PM of the Indians, some and little understood and comprehend about this activity. So friend, thank you.